back to my YouTube channel. If you have ever wished for a way to store lots of values in just one variable, you are in the right place. In this video, we are going to explore Python list, one of the most useful and beginner-friendly tools in Python. So let's get started and see how list can make your code neater, smarter, and way more powerful. First, coming to the introduction to list. Imagine you are packing for a trip. You need clothes, snacks. A list helps you keep track of it all. In Python, a list does exactly that. It holds a bunch of items all in one place. Lists are like containers that can hold multiple values in single variable. It's numbers, names, or even mix of both. We will explore how to create lists, use them, perform cool operations, and make your code smarter using list methods. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. So coming to our first topic, that is creating Python list. It is as easy as putting items inside square brackets. Like the code that I have mentioned here, in which I have initialized my square brackets. Inside that, I have given few fruit names. Boom! You have got a list. You can even mix it up with numbers, strings, booleans. Python doesn't mind. Now we are going to learn about accessing and modifying list. Need the first item in your list? Just say my list underscore 0. Python starts counting from 0 index, not 1. Want the last item? Go backwards with my list square brackets -1 index number. Python's got your back. Want to check every item in your list? Use a for loop for item in my list and then do your thing. You can also use enumerate to get both index and value. Coming to the modifying, oops, bought oranges instead of mangoes? No problem. Just say my list underscore 1 orange and boom, updated. Want to add something new? Use append to toss it in at the end or insert to place it exactly where you want. Now let's see how to access and modify elements in a list. So list is mutable. We can initialize, we can access the list, we can even modify the list in between. First, let's learn about accessing. I want to know which number is present in the index number 2. So for that, I have to initiate a variable. I just want to know which number is present in the second index. For that, I have accessed a variable. I just want to check which number is present in the second index. Here you can see all the list numbers starts with 0. When we are talking about backwards, the list starts with -1. So technically my list for my second index would be 3, and here you can see I got the same output. Now let's see how to modify a list. I don't want 3 in my second index. I want it to be 5. For that, I have to initialize what index element I want to modify is equal to the number from which I want to replace my existing number. So I have initialized 5 as my second index number. So let's see how this works. Here you could see my 0 index is 1, my first index is 2, and my second index is not 3. I have replaced it with 5. This is how modifying elements work. Talking about the common list operations. Let's get fancy. Want to merge two lists? Just use plus sign like you are joining forces. Want to repeat a list? Use into sign like a magician. My list into 3 gives you triple the fun. Imagine combining two playlists or repeating your workout schedule. List operations, you do that in Python with just symbol. Let's check out these moves. Now talking about the list methods. Wanna be a list ninja? These are your tools. Append, insert are used to add, then remove, pop is used to delete something from a list, sort is used to arrange the list, reverse is used to flip things around. Use them wisely. Lists are cool, but list methods make them magical. These built-in tools saves your time.
Let me explain you list methods which will improvise your code, it will save your time, and it's quick, super easy. So let's learn few methods which will help you definitely while making projects. So I'm defining my list. I'm randomly giving numbers to this. After creating my list, I want to append 10 number. Basically, the work of append method is to whatever value we have given, it will get added to the given list, but at the end. If you want to add in between, you have to use insert method. Now, you have to print this, right? Just type like this and it will get appended. Now, going to the next method, I want to pop fourth element. The work of pop is that whatever number we have given, that is index number. So whatever number is present in that particular index number will get deleted. That is the work of pop. Now I want to remove number. I don't want to remove whatever number is present in the index number because I don't know the index number of certain element. So I want to delete one particular number. For that I have to use remove. I want to remove 94 from this, and now I'll give printing statement. So we'll see whether it will remove 94 from this list or not. Now the next method I'm going to tell you is sort method. I want to sort the whole data in ascending order because it's not looking appropriate because 94 is before 5. So I want to append it or sort it properly. Now let's print the statement. Now the last method that I'm going to teach you all is reverse method. You can also reverse the whole list with just writing list.reverse. This is the syntax basically, and you can quickly do things with the list. You can make as many projects as you can by using these methods, as it will help you to understand and it will also help you to reduce your time while coding. Here you can see I have appended 10. So 10 has been added at the end. I have used pop 4. So let me count 0, 1, 2, 3. Seventh element is present in the fourth index. Here you could see seventh is not there in the pop. Next, coming to remove, I want to remove 94, right? 94 number is not present here. This is the difference between pop and remove. Then sort. It has sort. So as I have removed 7 and 94 from this, it has considered my updated list in which it has sorted it in ascending order. Then the function of reverse, all the elements which are present here have been reversed here. So I hope you have understood.
Understand list comprehensions. It is a way to create new lists quickly and cleanly. Instead of writing long loops, you can generate list in just one line. For example, the line that I have given here, list x into x for x in range. This automatically it creates and it gives you a list of squares. Simple, fast and very Pythonite. Coming to the nested list, take a list to the next level. Imagine a list inside another list, like a box holding smaller boxes. This lets you create complex structures like matrices or tables. For example, matrix that I have created here with two sublists. You can access elements by using double index like matrix 01, which gives you the number 2. Together, these concepts help you write cleaner, more powerful Python code when working with them collections of data.
Now let's talk about list method. This is a list I have created. One list I have created, in that I have again entered 3 sub-block list, and I want to check which number is present in my 0 block, the number with index 1. Here you can see I got my output as 2 because this is my 0 index and the number which is present at first index is 2. Therefore, 2 has been printed. Now let's talk about list comprehension. Basically, list comprehension will help you reduce your time. If I want to create only even number list, instead of typing 2, 4, 6, 8, I just want a quick method to solve this issue and I just want to save my time. For that, you can use list comprehension where just by this is the syntax of list comprehension and first I have to give the expression. I am giving x as my expression. I want my x from range 1 to 10. I only want it to give me even numbers in my list. Let's see what it will print. So here instead of typing I just have given a short code. Let's see whether it will print me the values properly or not. Here you could see as I want only even numbers to be present in my list, it has given me 2468 and it has reduced my and not only even numbers, you can also check odd numbers, you can add square numbers, etc. with the help of list comprehension. I hope you have understood
this topic very well. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe for the next one where we will dive into another interesting topic. And until then, bye.